Hey everybody, I'm working on another model right now. This is actually an old '69 Barracuda that my brother built years and years ago, probably about 1990 probably. I found it in a box out in my shed. I was going to redo it. You can see I've got it all taken apart here. I managed to get it taken apart without breaking anything. I was going to finish peeling all the decals off of it, and I was thinking about painting it black. I think it'd look good black. There's the motor over there. I'm thinking about maybe painting it a different color. And that's pretty much the state of things right now. When I get some more done, I'll let you know. See you next time.